Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I hope y'all aren't tired of seeing the dominoes. I'm gonna put a layer of clear, a half a layer of clear, and then I'm gonna put some of these alphabets. Now, in saying that, I realize some of them will be backwards, some of them will be upside down, whatever. But that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put a solid layer on the back. Now, automatically I want to add black, just because that will let the colors of these letters pop the most. But I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I think I'll decide that after we do the first bit. Alright, so I'm going to put a half a layer of clear down. This is 4 ounces of the Bond Craftor Fast Cure. Now, I did stir it too quick. It's full of bubbles. Yeah. I'm just going to let it set for a minute or two, and then I'm going to pour. I'll probably come back and show pouring just a couple, and then I'm going to pour the rest of them off camera. What I should have said is I've hot glued the corners. I just wrapped a little hot glue around each corner to adhere it to my glass, because I think it's this corner is just slightly bowed so that they wouldn't lie flat. That one wouldn't anyway. It's not bad. It's even barely noticeable, but I notice it. So that was my that has been my solution to fixing it every time. So like I said, I'm gonna let these off gas, just this resin off gas just a little bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, I did it the opposite. I'm gonna show the last 4 or so. Okay. This really is not easy. I mean, obviously sprinkling them on is easy, but getting them even close to even, I guess is what you want to say, that is not. I might have to dig out a few more for the last one. Just one last shot before I put them on the curing rack. I'm going to come back in about, I don't know, 3 hours or so, because this is the fast cure, and then I'll put the back layer on. Hopefully by then I'll have chosen. Okay, I just went for, this is some black with some black mica powder. It's 10:15 and I've about had it. I'm going to fill the rest of these up off of camera. Okay, first of all, let's do this leftover resin. It's left over from the last couple of projects. Alright, nothing impressive, but a little bit of cleanup around the edges down here. Alright. I love that color. Kind of turned kind of a raspberry color, didn't it? Oh, that is where I actually added some of the bronze to the leftover pink. Darn that. Okay. Not even gonna look myself. Uh-oh. I saw one. Alright. Here goes nothing. Now, of course, they'll need a little cleanup. Well, the black background didn't work out as well as I'd hoped. I'm not sure. Maybe I should have put white. And of course the letters jumbled up a little bit towards the center, because as we all know, resin moves as it cures. Let's see. Now after I put some white dots on them, they might look better. Alright. I'll clean them up a bit and put a little white for the dots, and I'll come back and show them to you. Oh my gosh, here they are. I really like them. They kind of grew on me. Sorry, I'm looking at them for a second. It's so cute. I love the way the letters reflect the light. Alright. Now, if y'all want to see how I put the dots, just check back in my videos. I've done several sets of the dominoes, and on a few of them I've shown how I do the dots. This time I chose not to do the line in between, I may decide later to go ahead and do it, but I like the way they look just like they are. This one is the double blank. Okay. Great. I'm really pleased with how they turned out. I want to thank y'all all so much for stopping by and watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hype button if you feel like it. Bye for now.